Hi friends! Today we're going to be reading Big Bird and Little Bird's Big and Little Book. By Emily Pearl Kingsley, illustrated by A. Delaney. I like big things, Big Bird said. I like little things, Little Bird said. I like big balloons. I like little balloons. I like mountains. I like molehills. I like whales. I like goldfish. I like ships. I like rowboats. I like to feed the hippopotamus. I like to feed the bunny. I like to play the tuba. I like to play the piccolo. I like freight trains. I like electric trains. I like Great Danes. I like Chihuahuas. I like elephants. I like fleas. I like watermelons. I like grapes. I like big things best, said Big Bird. But there's one little thing I like a lot. I like little things best, said Little Bird. But there's one big thing I really like. You! The end.